Today we are going to start predefined functional interface. So as part of Java 8 introduced one of the most beautiful concept, that is predefined functional interface. Okay, so how we can efficiently work with the functional interface? Efficiently, we can work with the lambda expression and method reference. Okay, so that we are going to see as part of today's video. Here I will give what are the predefined functional interface are there. So today I'm going to give you introduction regarding this all these functional predefined functional interfaces, so that you will get some idea. Okay, so after that we'll work on the each and every predefined functional interfaces that I am going to discuss. Okay, so the predefined functional interface of Java 8, that is by name you might have got to know that it is a feature of Java 8. Okay, that that functional predefined functional interface that resides under java.util.function. Okay, so inside this java.util.function package, in this package, all the predefined functional interface are defined. Okay, so we'll see one by one. If I go to this one, so this predefined functional interface that is best suitable to work with lambda expression or method reference efficiently. So for this purpose, we are going to use the predefined functional interface. So basically, we are having four predefined functional interfaces like predicate, function, consumer, supplier. These are the basically four category we have. Okay, I will show you one by one. Like as you can see, it is this is the documentation, right, of Java 8. So here you will find like by consumer. It is in the what I can say, like alphabetical order. So you will find B, C like this. Okay, so I will discuss, like, let me go to search predicate. Okay, so it will go down. I'll show you, like, see, this is the predicate interface java.util.function. Okay, predicate is a interface, so that is inside the java.util.function, represents a predicate boolean valued function. So in detail, no need to worry, just today only the introduction will get. Okay, then whatever the list you are seeing, I am going to explain each and every uh, item that is there inside this function, this package. Okay, java.util.function package, each and every item I am going to discuss. So let me first give you some idea, like, so predicate is nothing but represents a predicate of one argument. So basically, whenever we are going to test some kind of conditional check, that time we are going to use this predicate. Okay, predicate, here you can see this is the predicate. But if I go to the top, you'll find kind of by predicate. Okay, so this is by predicate. That was previously we have seen predicate, that this is by predicate. So this is take two arguments. So here what it will do, it will two means by means two, it will take two argument. So that previous which I have shown before, this predicate will take one argument. Okay, so we'll see after I will show you all this functionality, then I will give the clear explanation with example. Okay, no need to hurry. Okay, so just understand what is what. Okay, now this is by predicate. By predicate means it will take two argument. Okay, and these are the consumers by, similarly by consumers, by functions, and this is binary operator. Okay, function represents the function as a two argument and produce a result. The job of the function is to it will take argument and it will produce one result, whereas predicate will return boolean value. Okay, but here it will produce one some result. Okay, consumer means it will consume. See, consumer, it will take one argument, represents an operation that accepts a single input argument and returns no result. It will only consume, no return. Okay, and this binary operator also we are going to double consumer means it will consume only double valued argument, double type. Okay, so if you see, represent an operation that accept a single double valued argument, return no result. Okay, so similarly double int function function dependent function that accepts one argument and produce a result. Okay, this function will take argument, but it will produce some result. Okay, and int consumer means this is the so basically general purpose, and here the primitive type function, primitive types of uh, functional interfaces, right? Int double, all these things wherever you find, that is the predefined primitive functional interfaces. Okay, so represent a function that accept int valued argument and produce a result. Okay, int predicate, int function, int supplier. Supplier means it represents the supplier int value result. Okay, it will supply. Okay, into double function. So here we will study into double function. A function also, first we know functional is a predefined interface, but int to double, what it will do, it will convert into double by using this functional interfaces into double function. Okay, so int unary operator, long binary operator, long consumer, long supplier, long to double, long to int function, long to unary operator. So all these things we are going to see. Okay, too long by function, too long function, unary operator. If you know like some idea, then whenever whenever you are working with the lambda expression and method reference, then you can utilize this concept very easily, like, right? So I think like you might have got this some idea regarding this package java.util.function. Okay, so what my intention here is to like familiar with what this function and what are the predefined functional interfaces that is there inside this function. Sometimes those who are giving the interview, like he or she might have got that hey bro, like can you give me some example regarding this predefined functional interfaces. So generally people will have some idea, like some people don't know what is the predefined functional itself, functional interface is we have. Only they will tell lambda, what is lambda expression with couple of examples, right? But here you, after seeing all this documentation, you might have, you will never forget by consumer, by producer, consumer, producer, supplier, uh, uh, this function, all these like predicate, all these things, like you'll never forget, right? And sometimes even people will not tell all these things, right? Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll meet in the next video with we'll start one by one, like predicate, then consumer, then supplier, then function, some kind of things like predefined function, functional interfaces we are going to start in the next video. Okay, so we'll see in the next video with the coding section. Okay, so thank you.